Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into 15 magical household garden hacks that will transform your gardening game. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips and tricks will make your gardening experience easier, more efficient, and way more fun. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Hack 1. Eggshell seed starters. Don't throw away those eggshells. They make perfect biodegradable seed starters. Simply fill each half with soil, plant your seeds, and once they've sprouted, you can plant the whole shell into the garden. The eggshell will decompose and add nutrients to the soil. Hack 2. Coffee grounds for acid-loving plants. Used coffee grounds are a fantastic natural fertilizer for acid-loving plants like roses, blueberries, and tomatoes. Just sprinkle the grounds around the base of your plants to give them a nutrient boost. Hack 3. Banana peel fertilizer. Next time you eat a banana, save the peel. Bury it near the roots of your plants, and as it decomposes, it'll release essential nutrients like potassium and phosphorus into the soil. Hack 4. DIY drip irrigation with plastic bottles. Keep your plants hydrated with a simple DIY drip irrigation system. Poke small holes in the sides of a plastic bottle, bury it next to your plants, and fill it with water. It'll slowly release water into the soil, ensuring your plants stay moist without overwatering. Hack 5. Cinnamon as a rooting hormone. Cinnamon isn't just for baking, it's a natural rooting hormone. If you're propagating plants, dip the cut ends in cinnamon before planting them. It'll help them root faster and prevent fungus. Hack 6. Epsom salt for healthy tomatoes. Tomato plants love magnesium, and Epsom salt is full of it. Mix a tablespoon of Epsom salt with water and spray it on your tomato plants once a month to promote healthy growth and vibrant fruits. Got stubborn weeds? A mixture of vinegar, salt, and dish soap makes an effective and eco-friendly weed killer. Spray it directly on the weeds, and they'll be gone in no time. Companion planting is a natural way to keep pests at bay. For example, planting marigolds with tomatoes can help repel nematodes and other harmful insects. Do some research on which plants work best together and create a harmonious garden. Don't pour out the water after boiling vegetables. Let it cool, and then use it to water your plants. It's full of nutrients that your plants will love. Hack 10. Citrus peel seed starters. Like eggshells, citrus peels make great biodegradable seed starters. Fill the peel with soil, plant your seed, and when it's ready, plant the whole thing in the garden. The peel will add acidity to the soil as it decomposes, which is perfect for certain plants. Hack 11. Baking soda for sweeter tomatoes. Sprinkling a little baking soda around your tomato plants can lower the acidity in the soil, leading to sweeter tomatoes. Just be careful not to overdo it. Hack 12. Recycled wine cork garden markers. Put those old wine corks to good use by turning them into garden markers. Write the name of each plant on a cork, stick a skewer in the bottom, and place it in the garden. It's a simple and eco-friendly way to keep track of your plants. Here's a fun trick. Root your rose cuttings in a potato. Stick the cut end of a rose stem into a small potato, and then plant the whole thing. The potato will help keep the cutting moist and encourage root growth. Used tea bags are great for your garden. Bury them near the roots of your plants, and as they decompose, they'll release nutrients and improve soil structure. Before you head out to the garden, scrape your fingernails across a bar of soap. The soap will prevent dirt from getting under your nails and will wash out easily when you're done. And there you have it, 15 magical household garden hacks that will make your gardening life so much easier. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.